In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Murder Mystery 2 on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access Murder Mystery 2 on your iPad. All that you have to do is open Roblox on your device, and you will notice that I am recording this process on my phone. I apologize, I don't have the means to access an iPad at the moment, but the process is going to be the same. When you open Roblox, just use the search function and look for Murder Mystery 2. As you can see, you will be able to go over into Murder Mystery 2 here, and you can confirm that it is the official experience by the fact that it has more than 16 billion visits. It also has a lot of likes, so you know that this is the true Murder Mystery 2 experience. Once you tap on it, just tap the green button and you will be able to start. So as you can see, when you join the experience, it is actually going to ask you to choose your device, and this is very important. If you choose a device that is not appropriate to what you are playing on, the menu will be wrong. So as you can see, they leave out the warning at the bottom, and for the purposes of this video, pretending that I am playing on an iPad, I'm gonna select tablet. So of course, if you are on your iPad, choose tablet. Now the menu will be adjusted to fit the screen properly, but of course because I'm recording this video on my phone, like I mentioned, the menu will not be right for me, but for you everything will be into place and you will be able to play. You will be able to use your emotes, you can choose from the available modes. On Murder Mystery, you can access your inventory, access the shop, and everything is going to be available. All game modes will be playable, everything available on Murder Mystery 2. All of the features are accessible entirely through your touchscreen, so you don't have to worry about being limited when playing on mobile. It just looks weird on my screen because, like I mentioned multiple times, I'm doing this process on my phone, but for you, everything will be adjusted properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Murder Mystery 2 on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.